Hello, I'm Dr. Joe DeMarco, chiropractor and owner of OcraMed Health. And what I'm going to do tonight is show you my 4-minute ab routine. 4 exercises, each one performed for 60 seconds. It's a great abdominal workout when you don't have a lot of time. First thing we're going to be doing is we're going to start with a 60-second plank. And what I want to do is I'm going to get into the plank position, and for 60 seconds I'm going to be coming up on each arm and lowering myself down. And I'll do 30 seconds, starting with my left, as I'm doing right now, and at the 30-second mark, I'll start up on my right. Now, as a variation, you can just stay in the plank position for 60 seconds. If you're not if you're not at an advanced level where you're not going to be able to do that, 60 seconds in the plank is just fine. If you want to add in even 30 seconds of the raising yourself up and back down, that's great. After that, for 60 seconds, I'm going to turn over into our backs. And what we're going to do is 60 seconds of toe touches. We're going to come up, touch the toes, and come back down. Up and touch the toes. Another variation to make this a little easier, of course, is you can come up, knees to elbows, 60 seconds. If you have to, you can go 30 seconds with the legs straight, and 30 seconds knees to elbows if you need to. After that, stay on your back, hands behind the head, and we're going to do 60 seconds elbow to knee, alternating sides. A good basic exercise that hits your abdominal muscles and your obliques as you turn. After that, the last exercise, and I like to use some type of lumbar support. You can use a pillow or a lumbar cushion, something to give that lumbar spine a little bit of support while you're doing this. Is lying on your back, putting the pillow underneath the lumbar spine, and doing 60 seconds of sit-ups. What I like to do is let the knees drop out. That actually prevents me from using my hip flexors as much. If you're doing sit-ups with your legs up, it kind of kicks in your psoas and your hip flexor muscles. So I'm going to drop them off to the side. Arms are going to go over the head, and we're going to come up just till you get to your feet and back down. Great. 4 exercises, 60 seconds each, 4-minute ab workout. If you like these videos, just click on the little icon here to subscribe. If you have any questions and you want a specific topic covered, just leave a comment in the comment section. And for more information, just visit us at our website, www.ocramedhealth.com. Have a great day.